Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make free money and free airtime on Palmpay. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Open your Google Play Store or App Store if you are using an iPhone and download the Palmpay app. So after downloading, you need to install the app. So you kindly wait for the app to install. So let's wait for the app to install. It's installing, so you exercise patience as the app is installing. So it has finally installed. So you need to open. You click on the open button and the app will open. So this is the interface of the app, and before you can make this free money and free airtime, you need to first sign up onto the app. So you scroll down and you will see sign up, get unique welcome bonus. So you get now. So all you need to do is to click on get now. So you click on get now. So it will lead you to the sign up page. So you need to verify your information. You key in your telephone number, that you are using, your mobile number that you are using it for your Momo, and you click on send SMS. They will send you a code that you need to copy the code and verify that this number is in use. So what you need to do is you let the number be inside a phone, or it could be inside the same phone or in a different phone, so that the code can come if they send it. So let's wait. I've clicked on that. Let's wait for the code to appear. Now you can see the code has come and I need to copy. So I've copied it and I'll put it, or I'll fill it, and I've filled it. After that, I need to put in my first name, my legal first name. Then after, I key in my legal surname. Then I verify whether I'm a male or female. So after my legal surname, I need to verify whether I'm a male or female. Then my correct date of birth. This, I will prefer that you use your correct date of birth. Don't forge anything, because maybe you need this money now or you need this free airtime, so you need to forge, because this app will be using it for a whole lot of things, a whole lot of different things. So please don't forge the date of birth. Use your correct date of birth. If not, when you are about verifying with your national ID, it is not going to pick. So after verifying with your date of birth, you need to key in your invitation code, which you can see it on your screen. Please copy the invitation code so that you'll be able to get free sign up bonus. So you copy my invitation code. After, you need to set up your password, your unique password, and the password shouldn't be a repeated numbers. It should be a mixture of numbers. So after that, you need to confirm your password. Then boom, you have finally created your Palmpay account. So you can see your Palmpay account has been opened, and this is the interface of the app. So we have a welcome bonus. We have 3 cities voucher that they've given you, which you can redeem as credit. So let's see how we can redeem these 3 cities free airtime. So you click on the coupon, and this is the coupon, 3 cities coupon, which I said you can redeem as free credit. So you come down and you see where they said a distance, the minimum of So you click 3, then you click on pay. It will lead you to this. You need to confirm whether you're using MTN, Airtel, Tigo, or Vodafone. So I'm using MTN. I'll click on MTN, then I confirm. So they say I should pay 3 Ghana cedis, which I'm not paying the 3 Ghana cedis. I'm using the coupon. So you click on coupon to use, then you select the 3 cedi coupon. After you confirm, you can see that pay Ghana cedis 0.00. So I'm no more paying anything. So I click on that, then I confirm my PIN, the PIN I used to register. I confirm it. So let's see if we are going to get a free airtime. Let's wait and see. Okay, it has processed successful. And you can see you bought 3 Ghana cedi airtime. Let's see if the message will come. And you can see, guys, this is real. I'm not forging or editing anything. You can see, as you can see, the item have just come onto my account, and this is the message. I'm going to open the message so that you see it real. So this is the airtime. Yellow, you have received 3 Ghana cedis from this, and your balance is this. So you can see this is a free airtime I've just received from Palmpay. So let's go back to our Palmpay app to see how we can get the free money. If you find this video to be useful to you, please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that your colleagues may also have access to this free airtime and free money. Please subscribe to the channel, and let's continue to see how we can make this free money on the app. So after opening the interface of the app again, you need to click on refer and end, and you can refer and earn 20 cedis, 35 cedis, and 50 cedis. So this one, you get 1 referral and you be able to get the 20 cedis mark. 2 referral, you get a 35 cedis mark. Then 4 referral, you get a 50 cedis mark. So I have just joined the app, and I need to refer about 4 people to see if I can get the 50 cedis mark, so that we see if this app, we can really withdraw this money from this app, or it is just it's just as same as the other scam apps that will tell you can get money and you cannot get the money at or after you have referred. So I've clicked on the referral, I've copied the referral link, and I'm going to share it on my WhatsApp platform. I'm going to share it on some of my pages and my WhatsApp status, and I'm going to link some of my colleagues or my friends to join the app to see if I can actually make this money. Guys, I want to confirm to see if this app is actually working, and I need to refer to see if it is really working. So let's wait. Keep on watching the video, and please, I need a favor from you. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button now. It is you are not going to pay anything by subscribing. It is just a way of showing appreciation to maybe what we are doing or the help we are giving out to you. So please kindly subscribe to the channel. So I've shared the video to or the link, and I'm now going to see if I'm going to make this kind of money. Yeah, so guys, guess what? I'm happy. I've finally made the 4 referrals and I've gotten to the 50 cedis mark. I'm just happy, and I need to confirm to see if we can actually redeem this money. So without wasting my time, I need to click on redeem, and I've clicked on that. Let's see. I've not added a withdrawal number, so now I need to add a withdrawal number. So I'm putting in my mobile money number. You know, this is money, so we need to withdraw it into our mobile money. So the number you are putting, make sure the number is on Momo. So I've confirmed that I'm withdrawing into this number, and you can see it is 50 cedis and the fee is 1 cedi 50 pesos. Guys, watch it, just watch. I'm putting in my my code or my pin code that I used to register. Guys, just watch. You have redeemed 50 cedis onto this number. So let's wait to see if the money will actually come into my account. This is my first time doing this though, but I want to confirm. You see, please confirm that. And they said 50 cedis redemption amount. Let's see. Okay, wow, guys, you can see it, 48.50. You know, the fee was 1 cedi 50 pesos, and you can see this is the message. This is so real. You see, payment received for Ghana cedi 48.50 from Transnet Payment Ghana, current balance, and you see, wow, and you can see the time and the message just now. This message can't reply to this short code. This is I'm so happy that this is actually working. It is not a scam. So guys, you can see it well. You can see that this method is actually working. I've redeemed for 58 or 50 cedis, 48.50. So I want to open the message, the redeem message, to see, so that you guys will see that this method or this is actually working. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You see, this is the message, 48.50, and the recipient is me. This is my telephone number and the amount. So you see, it is so rare. The fee too was there, 1.50. That is why it has been deducted to 48.50. What I like about this app is that after redeeming your first 50 cedis or first 20 cedis or first 25 cedis, you can still redeem. So you can see the time I've restarted to 6 days, 23 hours and some seconds. So you can still start referring. So if you refer 4 people and get your first 50 cedis, the referral will go so that you restart and start referring again. So guys, this is so real and so cool. So let's utilize this opportunity. Let's get this free airtime and free money. And please don't forget to key in my referral code. It's on the screen. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this video is of useful to you, or if you have actually gained something from this video. Subscribe to the channel, please. And for now, I will say thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye.